Welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review, guys. This week we're going to do... Nope. This week we're going to be unboxing David Hasselhoff. All right, Playmo pals, this week we are checking out the Playmobil City Action set number 71040. This is the Beach Patrol Quad. The quad being this four-wheeled vehicle here. I got this one mainly because of the clicky here. He reminds me of David Hasselhoff, the actor, who was very popular in the 80s because he starred in a TV show called Knight Rider. And that was a very popular show. And he also starred in Baywatch. And Baywatch was, of course, a beach-themed TV series that ran throughout the 90s. And he was very popular in that series, but so were all the females in that show. In fact, you should check it out. But I liked it. I mean, I was you know, a teenager in my early 20s when that show was very popular. So that was kind of something that I definitely watched on Saturdays. Anyway, David Hasselhoff himself had the thick curly hair and the very hairy chest, and women swooned over that sort of thing all the time. So this is a kind of a funny little character to add, and I just couldn't pass that up. So here he is for us to review. Alright, so checking out the box, this is a very simple box as well. We do have our quad right there front and center with Mr. David Hasselhoff riding it, holding his megaphone. So we do know that we are getting a megaphone, and here's the little floating device here. That's pretty much it looks like for accessories on this one. My hunch is maybe if you pull back the vehicle, it winds up the wheels, and then you can let it go and it'll move forward on its own. That's my hunch, which would be a really cool feature. I don't know any other Playmobil vehicles that do that. On the left side, we have the perforation and the country of manufacture. On the other side, we have a cropped version of Mr. Hasselhoff and the quad. Top has the barcode and a couple other neat little things. Not really. Bottom has the choking hazard warnings in various languages and a couple of reminders there for you to recycle when you are finished with the box. The back of the box has our pieces photographed individually and also advertises two other types of quads to add to your collection. I think that's good enough for the box details, don't you? Let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. Haven't seen a little paper insert in these sets for a while. Oh, you got a few more of these advertised. Here's our little sticker sheet with the lights, the license plate. Here's the quad incomplete. Still nothing to indicate. Oh, no, this is awfully big here. It's got to be, yep, I can tell because you can't just spin these backwards. So, yep, there you go. That's cool. That's really nice. Great, so let's go ahead and get these wheels on. Let's take a look at the wheels here. Pretty nice. Look at all that tread. That's right. I'm not looking at real wheels here. Shouldn't be that happy about them. Alright, so this is the basket that goes on the back of the quad to carry the accessories like the megaphone and the float. Like that. Here is the sunscreen bottle. You see that? There we go. Here's the front of the quad right here. And then here's, of course, like the hubcaps and stuff like that. And we are going to install, first of all, the handlebar. Maybe. There we go. Alright, and here is our Clicky. Check him out. I love and am very jealous of his head of hair. I wouldn't look very good with curly hair like this, but it's pretty nice regardless. Very cool. What is that? What is that little thing sticking out of his pocket there? Huh. It's like a little lint. Anyway, very nice. Kind of silly looking, I have to admit. The chest hair does make me laugh a bit, but overall pretty cool. And it totally is David Hasselhoff all the way. Yeah, even down to the facial stubble there. So let's go ahead and check him out with the quad. Yeah, that is a pretty cool set, I gotta say. This whole thing is very nice. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. We never put on the whole thing here. So the straps, they attach themselves like that, and they have two holes here. You know, two different levels of tightness here. So if you need it to be a little more tight to hold whatever you're keeping inside the bag here, that's what that's for. So it looks like it holds everything nicely. And then the bumper, I guess, the decorative bumper is gonna go somewhere. Right, actually, right there. Is that it? Did I do it? That looks right. All right, so let's go ahead and put Mr. Klicky onto the Forerunner and have him properly holding onto the handlebars. His joints are super tight. That actually hurt, loosening those up and turning them. There we go. There we go. Okay. And there he is, ready to patrol the beach and make sure that everybody is being safe and following the rules, following all beach safety guidelines there. So let's go ahead and move his Forerunner back. And there you go, guys. That is the end of our review today of our little Lifeguard and Forerunner or quad set here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to us for more future Playmobil content. We've got more on the way. And don't forget, you can check us out on Instagram. We can be found at playmo.af. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you right here again on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.